让照，让他们，他应该是照个相是吧？然后，就不动就行，不动你就好。
The Honorable Mr. Sun Zhigang, Chairman of State Council Office for Healthcare Reform and Vice Minister of National Health and Family Planning Commission. His Excellency Zhang Ping, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China, Chinese Embassy in Fiji, and members of your delegation. First of all, I'd like to welcome Your Excellency to our humble offices, very humble offices here in the Ministry of Health and Medical Services here in Fiji. It's a great honor for us to host you this morning at our meeting at the signing of this historic Memorandum of Understanding between our two nations in the area of health. China is a great nation and has had a civilization that has lasted many thousands of years. China has made a great contribution to the world in terms of technology, ideas and development, and over these past few years we have seen a resurgence of that all around the world. Your impact as a nation has been felt around the world. The resurgence of China, and indeed of the whole of Asia, has led to a new world with new ways of looking at things. The old fades away, something new develops. Here in Fiji we have had our troubles, last time being the 2006, but in 2006 we commenced on a new journey that was designed to put right all those things that had led to our problems in the past. As we began that journey, there were many who tried to get us to go back to the ways of the past, to retain past structures, past inequalities, past systems, but we needed something new, something better. Through the vision of a new Fiji, focused on equality, focused on treating everyone as an equal citizen, focused on breaking down barriers, focused on fairness, focused on the elimination of corruption and development that ended with our new constitution of 2004, we have been very thankful to the government of the People's Republic of China for their never ever turning their back on us, for being our friend during this period. Fiji's relationship with China has grown over the years. Your assistance in infrastructure development, in roads, is having a direct impact on the lives of our people. And because of the assistance from friends like China, Fiji has experienced tremendous growth through these past years. We have had growth of more than 4% for 3 years, and consecutive growth for at least 5 years. That is virtually unheard of in Fiji's history. And our relationship has been strengthened last year with the visit of His Excellency Xi Jinping, who visited us here, and that is also something we're very grateful for. China's involvement in the Fiji's health sector has also grown over the years. The major project is the construction of the new Navo hospital that I understand you will be visiting today, that was commissioned in July of 2014. This hospital is now serving the people of Fiji. It is making a difference in people's lives every single day. We are also very grateful for the visit of the ship, hospital ship, the Peace Ark, that came to Suva and provided clinical services, including surgeries, on board the ship for our people. We have also had visits by medical teams from China, example from Guangdong province, that provided dental and other specialist services to our major hospital here in Suva. We have also been fortunate that we have been able to get equipment from China, from Mindray Corporation, that is used in looking after the patients in our hospitals. We are also very grateful to the government of China for their assistance to through our dengue outbreak last year. We provided assistance to the tune of $50,000 US. We're very thankful looking at our meeting today, and we're thankful that you have agreed to the content of our Memorandum of Understanding. And this will include health system strengthening, emerging and re-emerging infectious disease prevention and control. Traditional medicine is something a lot of people here in Fiji go after and they look for. And we're also very thankful that the Honorable Dr. San Zhigang has been responsible for the overall healthcare reform work in China. And I understand that this includes policy making, strategy planning, development of information systems, and essential medicine systems. The scale of what you have had to do in China is very, very bigger, much more larger than what we have in Fiji, because Fiji is very small. But many of the concerns and the problems that you have been reforming are what we face here. We also have been through a healthcare reform that is continuing. We are now in the final stages of completing our new strategic plan for 2016 to 2020 that will lay down our aims and dreams for the upcoming 5 years. It is therefore a great honor to meet with you. We hope to learn from your experiences, to learn from your wisdom, to see what you have done so that we can look at doing the best for our own people here in Fiji. Once again, sir, thank you for making the long trip all the way down to Fiji. And on behalf of the government of Fiji, we thank you and the government and the people of China for this meeting. And we look forward to many, many years of working together to fulfill the responsibilities of this MOU.
Thank you very much.
Sir,
Thank you.
thank you, sir.